a magical day by saying the magic words, thank you for each plan going well, before you leave it. If you are a person who writes daily list of things you need to do, then you can go through your daily list and be grateful for each one having gone well. Whether you do this magical practice in your mind or on paper, the most important thing is that you feel the result of each plan or activity with the best it could have been.
Was
When
the
you use
best.
gratitude,
Each plan or activity was the best it could have been. So if you're writing out or if you're thinking your daily activities, daily list के activities को, you have to think the best adjective you can think for that activity. Yes.
when you use gratitude ahead of time to have a magical day, it wipes out unexpected problems or difficulties before they happen. The more you use this magical practice, the better your days will become. And from the smallest things to the important things, every day start going well in your life. Everything starts going well in your life. The bumpy days smooth out, and instead of frustrating or troublesome things happening in your day starts to have a magical flow about them, and things seems to magically go your way with less effort, no worry, no stress, and far more joy.
Yes.
When I first began to use gratitude to have a magical day, I chose to give thanks ahead of time for the events in my day that I didn't enjoy doing very much. One of those things was going to the supermarket. At the beginning of the day, I said the magic words, thank you for the easy and joyful trip to the supermarket. I had no idea how a trip to the supermarket could be easy and joyful, but I felt as much gratitude for that outcome as I could. The result of gratitude's magical power was that I got a parking space right at the door. I then ran into two friends. One friend I hadn't seen for a long time, and we got together for lunch after shopping. The second friend I ran into told me about an amazing and inexpensive house cleaner, which was something I had been dreaming of having. As I did my supermarket shopping, whenever I looked, what I needed was magically in front of my eyes. Everything was in stock on the shelves. One item after another was on special. And as I approached the checkout after doing my shopping in the record time, a new aisle opened and checked out person signaled me to them. As the checkout person was putting my items through the register, out of the blue, she asked, do you need any batteries? It was the one item I had forgotten to buy. My trip to the supermarket was beyond easy and joyful. It was downright magical.
Yes.
It
So
only takes a few minutes in the morning to use the gratitude to have a magical day by giving thanks for the events in your day ahead of time. But this one practice alone will change your way your entire day unfolds.
yes, so it will hardly take a few minutes to be thankful for all the activities which you are going to do throughout your day. But this practice alone will change the way your entire day unfolds. So it is such an important practice actually. बहुत छोटी सी प्रैक्टिस है लेकिन करने से बहुत ज्यादा फायदा होगा.
To
Yes,
have a
Deepika.
magical day when you wake up to the new day, either before you get out of bed or while you are showering or getting dressed, think about your plans for the day and give thanks for each one going brilliantly well. Make sure do this magical practice at the beginning of your day and in one session. In your mind, work your way through the
One
plans
second,
you
Deepa,
have.
1 second. Make sure you do this magical practice at the beginning of your day and in one session. This I haven't मेरा शायद skip हो गया हिंदी में, but it is very important that पूरे दिन की एक्टिविटी स्कैन करके अपन एक ही बार में उनको धन्यवाद देते रहें. मतलब सुबह सुबह ही अपने को धन्यवाद दे देना है and then we are starting our day. You make sure you do
मैं
this magical practice at the beginning of your day and in one session.
आया था
ऐसा
उसमें
नहीं
कि
कि
एक
सिर्फ
ही
ब्रेकफास्ट
सत्र
के
में
लिए.
करें, तो ये जो है एक जब हम सुबह बैठे तो वो सारी चीजें डायरी में या जैसे भी प्लान करके एक साथ ही सबको एक धन्यवाद बाद में दिन भर में नहीं देते रहना है ना, एक सत्र में देना. हिंदी में भी आया था वन सेशन.
इन वन सेशन धन्यवाद देना शुरू करना है. ग्रैटिट्यूड की अतिशयोक्ता नहीं है अलका दी. आप
नहीं
जितनी
नहीं
दोगे, हाँ.
नहीं, मतलब लाइक वी हैव टू
लेकिन
गिव
सुबह ही
जस्ट।
पूरे दिन को स्कैन करके फुल डे, मतलब पूरे दिन के अपने शेड्यूल हो जाने चाहिए कि मुझे ये करना है, ये करना है, ये करना है. सुबह ही आपको ग्रेटफुल हो जाना है टिल नाइट के लिए कि आप क्या क्या करने वाले हो.
हाँ वही,
एंड इन वन
जस्ट
सेशन,
मॉर्निंग में ही वी हैव टू डू ऑल दैट,
यस,
राइट
वी
ना?
मॉर्निंग में अपने को ग्रेटफुल दिखा दे, थैंकफुल हो जाना है पूरे दिन के लिए, पूरी एक्टिविटीज के लिए.
थैंक यू।
In your mind, work your way through the plans you have for the morning, afternoon, and evening until bedtime. With each plan or event, say the magic words and imagine that you are saying thank you at the end of the day and you are immensely grateful because it did you go brilliantly well.
Yes.
You can use as many superlatives as you like to help you feel more grateful. Thank you for the incredible successful meeting.
So
Thank
here
you
the
for the
author has used two adjectives: incredibly successful meeting.
Thank
Yes.
you for the amazing outcome with the phone call. Thank you for the one of the best days ever at work. Thank you for the thrilling sports game. Thank you for the effortless and fun day of cleaning. Thank you for the great night out with our friends. Thank you for the relaxing day of travel. Thank you for the amazing energy for my exercise session. Thank you for the best family get together we have ever had.
Yes.
This magical practice is more powerful if you can say the magic words thank you out loud for each experience. But if you are not in a position to say them out loud, then it is fine to say them in your mind. After you have finished using gratitude's magical power for every task and event in your day, end the practice by saying, and thank you for the great news coming to me today. Without fail, every single morning when I finish using gratitude to have a magical day, I give thanks for the great news coming to me that day. As a result, I have never received so much great news in my entire life. One week after another, one day after another, great news pours in. Each time I receive another piece of great news, I am especially grateful and excited because I know I use gratitude magical power to bring it. And then even more great news continues to come in. If you want to receive more great news than you ever have before, then just follow in my footsteps.
Yes. So daily morning we have to practice. We can practice this exercise, and we must practice. Thank you for the great news coming to me today. I'm so grateful to the great news coming to me today. So on and off आपको इतनी अच्छी खबरें मिलेंगी ना कि you'll be so happy and excited for all the good news in your life. Yes.
Magic practice number 14. Have a magical day. Count your blessings, make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list. And at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. In the morning, work your way in your mind through the plans you have for the day and evening until bedtime. With each plan or event, say the magic words thank you for it having gone well. Imagine that you are saying thank you at the end of the day and you are immensely grateful because it went perfectly. After you have finished being grateful for all the plans in your day going brilliantly well, end this magical practice by saying, and thank you for the great news coming to me today. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words thank you for the best thing that happened during the day.
Yes. So here
Thank you,
comes.
thank you, thank you.
Thank you, Deepa, for reading for all of us in English. Thank you so much. So, किसी को कुछ पूछना है? Anyone has any doubts regarding the assignment?
सपना,
या
हम
अंजू?
लोग जो 10 ग्रेटिट्यूड लिखते हैं मॉर्निंग में,
हाँ.
क्या उसमें हम एक और ऐड करके इसको भी ऐड कर दें उसी में, एवरीडे के लिए थैंक यू फॉर द ग्रेट न्यूज कमिंग,
Yes,
जो
yes,
every-
definitely. कर
है
सकते
ना?
हैं. It's a nice idea. Yes.
हाँ, सो लाइक वी डोंट
To,
फॉरगेट डूइंग
हाँ,
इट
to say, मतलब ये
लेटर.
लिखना.
हाँ हाँ
Yes, we can do this. Even I'll start doing this.
हाँ,
Thank you
चल
so
ठीक है,
much, Anju, for
थैंक यू सो
sharing.
मच. हाँ
Yes. So और किसी को कुछ पूछना है? So I think we can end the session with gratitude. So thank you all of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, and I got a lot of points for my meeting. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Alkadi. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you,
Bye.
Sapna, for the
Thank you,
lovely
Sapna.
session.
Thank you, Dipali. Thank
Thank
you,
you,
Alka.
everyone.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, Alka
Thank you,
Didi.
Dipali.
Thank you, thank you, thank
Thank
you.
you all of you.
Thank you. Good
And
night.
good night.
Good night. Good night.
So I'm ending the meeting over here.
Thank you, Didi.
Thank you, Swati.